Well, hello there. I don't know if you saw the video I put up earlier today of when I went fossil hunting yesterday. It wasn't as cold yesterday as it is today. It's absolutely freezing out here. But anyway, so we went to the beach at Mappleton. Oh, hello. So I'll bring you up. Come on. Come see them. Come and see everyone because they want to see you. There we go. Right, there we go. Right, sit down there. Down you go. Right, there's the dog. Oop. Losing the camera. Right, there you go. There's a dog. He's just come up. Hello. You cold? Yeah, it's not so warm out here today as it was yesterday. Although we were wrapped up rather warm. And anyway, so we walked along the cliff face, and we found quite a few big fossils, really big ones. You saw the big slab of grey. Saw the big slab of grey. Not quite sure what it's called, but it's like compressed, fossilized, hardened mud that is quite easily to chip away at, really, with a chisel or these special tools that you quite often see these the fossils in a grey matrix. Right, anyway, so the first one we've got is this one here, which is absolutely just jam-packed of crushed shells. I don't know if you can see it, but I should put a photograph in, so a close-up photograph of that one. And then later on we found, this is the lady Sarah's found that one and this one. I don't know if you can make it out in the picture, but there is a cockle shell type thing, absolutely embedded in this rock, and there's not much on the other side, but you can see on this side here there's a whole layer of crushed, broken, you can actually see mother of pearl still in there from the shells. And we found these two as well. I can put the photographs in between me talking about it. But anyway, so these I don't know what you call these, but these are what they call fossilized worm cast. Apparently the worms were in the mud, and it's all kind of fossilized, but yeah, anyway. Yeah, I did some research after I got home. And this one, yeah, this one, the lady Sarah found this one as well. This is actually fossilized coral. You'll see from the photograph that I'm going to put in a minute, all the little tiny pores in this piece of rock. So that was fossilized coral. And this one, I've got no idea what that is. It's got a couple of raised sections, one there and one there, with a tiny raised section in the middle. So I don't know what it could be. It could be a piece of bone, or it could be a piece of shell, like a turtle shell or something like that. Yeah, I'm just not quite sure what it is, really. So anyway, like I said, I'll put some photographs at the end. And the most impressive one that I've found is this. It's not a tooth. It's not a tooth. It's actually a belemnite, which is a prehistoric or Jurassic squid. Part of this, I'm not quite sure which way up, but this will be the back end of the squid, and this will be the the closest relative is a cuttlefish. Yeah, you know the cuttlefish, we get the shell that's inside that fibery, what do you call it there, the white thing that the parrots eat, the budgies used to eat back in the day when you were kids. Used to see all these things in the pet shop. Anyway, but yeah, this is the Jurassic version. You're gonna, he's moving about. Yeah, this is the Jurassic version. So it would have been it's broken. So it would have been probably, I would say, maybe a foot long, which is quite incredible. Yeah, so that's That's what that is. So yeah, so we had a really good day out. Ooh, couldn't actually sit on the beach because of all the mud. The like I said, those big balls, clumps, were originally high up on that cliff top, and as they fell down, they fell onto the shingle, and as the waves come up, they would start rolling these lumps of mud and clay up and down the beach until eventually they'd completely dissolved. That's another thing why the water around the Humber is so brown. It's because of all the soil and silt that's being washed out to sea via not only the erosion of the coastline, but also runoffs from the field all the way up the Humber. There's a lot of what do you call it, grasslands and crops and stuff like that, and they all have runoff into the sea. So yeah, that's quite disturbing really, to see all that soil being washed away, but yeah, nothing we can do about it. Anyway, yeah, what's going on in my little garden? I haven't really done a lot to the garden, to be quite honest. I've been away at sea and all that time. We've got tulips coming up over there. We've got tulip, and we've got some looks like daffodils coming up in the garden. A couple of wild daffodils growing. I don't know where they come from. Must come from seed, I suppose. And our snowdrops. We've got a few snowdrops in the garden, but they don't seem to have flowered this year. I don't know why. No, well, never mind. But yeah, so anyway, that's it. That's I've taken up another 6 minutes of your valuable time just waffling on about my day out. Yes, kick the camera. Sorry about that. Yeah. So anyway, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course you can always share this to your friends and relatives if they live local to Mappleton, on the East Riding of Yorkshire coast, just below Hornsey on the map. If you're looking at the map, it's Hornsey. You've got Bridgerton, Hornsey, and then Mappleton, and then you're down to Withensea. Hey, so me and the dog say hello. Me and the dog are going to say goodbye, and we'll speak to you all on the next one, which won't be too far away. Okay, see you then. Bye.